Kirchhoff's voltage law. It may be Kirchhoff's, I've heard it both ways. Kirchhoff's voltage law, or KVL, states that the sum of the voltages around a loop is equal to 0. So you're going to have voltage rises and voltage drops. So we had nodes before, and now we have something that is called a loop, okay? So this is what you call a loop. Everything is head to tail, right? All right, so if I have current that goes into the minus and out of the plus, that's called a voltage rise, And then if I have current that goes into the plus and out of the minus, that's called a voltage drop, okay? So Kirchhoff's voltage law says that voltage drops have to equal voltage rises. Voltage drops have to equal voltage rises. So if I tell you that this is 10 volts, this is 5 volts, this is 9 volts, and I want to find voltage X. This one is a drop. This one is a rise. So the sum of the voltage drops have to equal the sum of the voltage rises. So my rises and my drops. So my drops are going to be 5 plus 9. My rises are going to be 10 plus Vx. My drops are going to be 5 plus 9. My rises are going to be 10 plus Vx. 5 plus 9 is 14. So 14 equals 10 plus Vx. Your challenge is to get to the answer before I do. What is Vx? 14 equals 10 plus Vx. So now I'm going to do minus 10 minus 10. What does Vx equal? What does Vx equal? Do. What does Vx equal? Thank you for being the title gifter, Stephanie. Stephanie loves me. What does Vx equal? Onyx, Stephanie. 4 volts. Very good. 4 volts. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, let's try to do some more because we just started